Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For those that are seeing my face for the first time, you're definitely welcome. Please consider to subscribe, share and like these videos. Go back and watch my other videos. So this is a follow-up video after I have posted Irish critical occupation skills list. So in that video, when I posted it on Facebook, I mentioned that if you come across this video and you think I mentioned your profession when I was reading through that critical occupation skills list, you comment underneath. So people decided to slide into my inbox. I had a couple of people who requested a video on environmental health professionals. So today we are going to touch on that. Stay tuned. Hello, my name is Boyi. I'm a nurse. I work and live in UK. I've been in UK for 2 years and some months. So like I have said, we are going to explore requirements on becoming an environmental health professional in Ireland. So on the government website, there are few requirements mentioned. There is a specific route for people who qualified in Ireland. There is also a specific route for people who qualified in the EU, and then there is a specific route for people who qualified outside Europe and outside Ireland, to be specific. So if you know you have qualified outside Ireland and EU, this is the procedure that I'm going to talk about, because it's quite lengthier than for those who qualified in Ireland or in EU. They mentioned few points, and this shows that it's a very straightforward process, but you've got to be patient when you do all those things. There is a PDF file that is posted on the government website. That is what we are going to read through. It has requirements, documents that you need to send to apply for becoming an environmental health or professional. So before you can be able to apply for a job in Ireland, you have to remember that environmental health is a regulated profession. Therefore, Ministry of Health has to make sure that your profession is at the same level as the required educational level. According to what I have read on the website, the environmental health qualification that is being accepted at present is level 8, which is equivalent to Irish environmental health degree. However, if you qualified outside Ireland and you don't have degree, you have to submit fulfilling evidence that you have enough experience, and so the subjects that you studied. This means all the practical hours, your modules that you studied. Like, okay, let me just not brainstorm them. Let us go through this PDF file. You can be able to see exactly what they say they want. So I have already downloaded this PDF file on the government website. I will leave the links so that you can be able to click on them and go straight to where this file is being posted. So it says environmental health officer recognition of qualifications. So like I said, the minimum approved academic qualification necessary for appointment as an environmental health officer in the publicly funded health sectors are BSc Environmental Health Level 8, Technological University of Dublin. That is if you qualified from Dublin Institute of Technology. It was formerly called that. And level 8 of University of Dublin with a supplement diploma in environmental health that comes from Dublin Institute of Technology. Another qualification is Diploma in Health Inspection, awarded prior the 10th of December 1982 and recognized by the Ministry of Health. The last one is a non-Irish professional qualification in environmental health, recognized by the Ministry for Health. So this is where you, as the outside applicant, overseas applicant, you will be able to apply, because it says non-Irish professional qualification, be it you're from Africa, America, Asia, anywhere else outside Ireland. And then these are the qualifications that you need to, actually the documents that you need to send for your qualifications to be verified that they are at the same level as their BSc level 8 or on environmental health. So they are saying, number one, you send cover letter of application, copy of your original diploma or a degree, a transcript of all examination results showing subjects studied and grades obtained, a certified statement from the relevant educational institute dealing with the syllabus of the course of education and training which you undertook, such as subjects taken each year, subject content, number of hours of study in each subject, practice placements, the type of placement, location, duration, and the supervision, and etc. Then documentation to indicate that your qualification entitles you to practice as an environmental health officer in the country where you are qualified, if it's relevant. 6, it says full details of your professional experience. If you have any, you mention the name of the institution, their address, the name of the employer, and the nature of service that you were doing in that particular employment, when you commenced and when you stopped in terms of dates, the title you were posted, like the title of post you held, and the status. Was it full-time or part-time? You have to even specify functions that you performed. This is a detailed professional experience that you have to put together for you to be able to prove that you have enough experience that will lead you to have the level 8 as required. And the other one is evidence of your professional experience in a form of letter from your employers. Those evidences should also include the reference and etc. So we know how to reference, right? So this means you're going to go to every employment that you have been, or you can email them, ask them to give you confirmation that you were employed. I suggest you can also even show the employment number, the job descriptions, and those kind of things. Then lastly, they are going to require you to submit your photographic proof of identity in a form of passport, valid passport for that matter, documentary evidence of your citizenship, in if it's different from the passport, it can be in a form of birth certificate or ID. Then lastly, if you're married, you can then attach your marriage certificate where there is change of names. So ladies, this is where you fall. And they also provided the links beneath there they are clickable when you download this PDF file, so you can be able to go through for more information. So they are saying all these documents you need to send them as hard copies to this address: Validation Unit, Professional Regulation Unit, Department of Health, Block 1, Major Plaza, 50 to 58 Lower Bacon Street, Dublin 2. Then that is the postcode, which is in Ireland. And then alternatively, you can, it's not even alternatively, you are also advised to send a soft copy as one file to validation_unit@health.gov.ia in advance of hard copy submission, as this will help to expedite the application process. So it has only 2 pages, the document itself, so you can see that you need to read through this, make further research, and then submit your qualifications before you can apply for any job. So after you have been able to send all your documents, you know that now you have to wait for their response. I believe all these processes you've got to pay for you to have them assessed, and then after you get your feedback, which will be in between 1 and 5 months to complete the whole process of your qualification evaluation, you will then be able to apply for a job. You can apply for a job, and then that will come up with the visa applications after you have been secured a position where you'll be working at. But even though the immigration law changes and the visa types always change here now and then, I might say the visa type today and then a year later is changed. Actually, let me not mention the visa type, because I think when you apply for a job, they will also guide you which type of a visa you need to apply for. Now, this is the information that I have about environmental health. If you think there is more, you can comment down below under this video, and I will leave a love emoji under your comment. And thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you in my next upload. Bye.